So next, connected naman dito sa merging nila VP Lenny at Marcos. Siyempre, kung nandiyan si BBM, connected ang hindi mamatay-matay na flood control scandal. Ang galing din itong biglang ulit ng flood control scandal. Timing na timing, halatang sinadya. Kung hindi ka masyadong nagfo-focus, may isip mo na ito ay flood control scandal lang talaga. Gusto lang talagang tirahin ay si Marcos, si BBM. Ngunit subalit tatagpuan. Siyempre, may, again, strategy behind this. So, ano yung strategy behind this? First, alamin natin kung bakit nag-resurface ulit tong flood control scandal na ito. Kasi daw, may 18 Marines na lumabas as a witness. Sinasabi nilang usaping pera na sangkot is 805 billion and a shameful press. Kasi ano ba ang meron? May 18 Marines, Army soldiers, nag-sign ng notarized affidavit claiming they personally transported vast amount of cash, allegedly totaling 805 billion pesos to some highest officials of the land. Kung dati hindi may connect si BBM sa flood control scandal, ngayon ito, direkta ng kinonect si President Marcos, tsaka si Martin Romualdez, and si Zaldico na rin. So sinabi nila, nag-deliver sila ng limpak-limpak, bilyon-bilyong salapi kay Romualdez at kay Marcos. Yun nga, yung sa flood control scandal. Pero there's a chance din naman talaga na gawa-gawa lang to. Kasi ang timing is yung pre-trial ni PRRD. Kasi not only dinadawit nila sa flood control scandal si BBM at si Romualdez, also pati yung ICC sinasabi nilang sangkot that beginning December 2023 they were assigned to escort individuals later identified to them as ICC personnel. The Marines say pesos were exchanged into US dollars in Makati before the visitors arrived and that dollars were handed to ICC staff during meetings in Manila. They also allege repeated deliveries of money to former Senator Antonio Trillanes IV. Nagalit na galit kay PRRD. Describing is as covering ICC-related expenses. Itong issue na to, kahit mukhang malaki siya, kasi direkta na. Direkta nang in-involve si PBBM at Romualdez nung mga first-hand experience. Tapos sila mismo yung nag-abot ng pera. Kasama pa to si Trillanes. Dapat big expose. Pero hindi masyadong na-expose sa mainstream media. I don't know. Mas mas malaki pang expose yung kay Francis Leo Marcos. Mas nag-trending pa yun. Walang kakwenta-kwentang kaso, unjust fixation. Dapat nga tinatanggal na yung unjust fixation. Walang kakwenta-kwenta yun. Mas nag-trending pa yun kaysa dito na which is dapat isa to sa talagang malaking usapin ngayon. Pero hindi masyadong napansin. Anyways, ano yung strategy behind this? Again, of course, this is favor for mga Dutertes again. From ICC na umapil sa emotion ng mga Pinoy. Then to Kaufman na napakagandang statement. Then VP Sara early announcement of Presidential 2028. Then kombohan pa nito, supposedly malaking scandal na dinadawit mismo si PBBM. Hitting two birds with one stone. Kasi, nadawit na nila si PBBM and not only that, pati yung ICC, nasira nila yung reputation. Imagine, in just 1 week, 4 issues. Diba? The Dutertes shoot up their momentum to 2028 presidentiables. Diba? Now, mag-isip kayo. Sa tingin nyo, kung wala ng bala, naubusan na ng bala si BBM at Pinklawan, Dilawan, wala na silang ibang maibabato pa dito sa Duterte starting from now with this kind of momentum na meron sila. Sa tingin nyo, sino ang mananalo ngayon sa 2028 for presidency? Comment na lang kayo.